How to cancel all Instagram follow requests at once. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, you want to click on the heart-shaped icon at the top right. And as soon as you do that, you will get to this page right here, in which you will see that the first section is the follow requests, and it says approve or ignore requests. So click on there, and you will get to this page right here, where you will be able to see all of your follow requests. So in order for you to delete all of them at once, just click on manage at the top right, and then as you can see here, it gives you the option to select some of them or select all of them. So select all of them like this, and at the bottom left you will see a red option that says delete. Click on it, and once you do that, you will get this confirmation box. Click on delete to continue, and once you do that, you will see that all of your follow requests has been deleted with one click. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can cancel and remove or delete all of your Instagram follow requests at once. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.